This is the general form of quadratic equation. With some manipulations, we will get a new formula, which we call the quadratic formula. So we want to divide a on both sides. To do so, we can cancel the leading coefficient of this leading term. It would be x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0. Then we want to move this constant term to the right hand side by subtracting it on both sides. So it's going to be x squared plus b over ax equals negative c over a. And then we want to complete the square. By complete the square, we will divide b over a by 2. It's the same as b over a times 1/2 and simplify with b over 2a. And then we will use the square of this result. So it's going to be x squared. We put the result, the square of this result, so plus b over 2a squared. But make sure to keep it balanced. Since we put a new term on the left hand side, we gotta put the same term on the right hand side to keep it balanced. Otherwise, the equation will be the different. Then we will factor this this whole chunk by put the parentheses, and these two terms will be the factor of this x squared. So x times x will be x squared. And these two terms will be the factor of this third term. But at the same time, the sum of the factor will be b over a. So let's check it. The factor of b over 2a squared would be just simply b over 2a and b over 2a. And the sum of them must be equals b over a. So let's check it. When adding the fractions, the denominator will be the same, and we only add the numerator, so b plus b, and then 2b over 2a, and simplify it by canceling this 2 will be b over a. Is the same as this b over a, the second term. And then we can use the factor. Since they are all positive, we will keep the same, the positive. And on the right hand side, we can simplify for a bit, and it's going to be negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. Then, since these two parentheses are the same for the elements, we can rewrite it as x plus b over 2a squared. And on the right hand side, we can simplify it further. So we want to add it. We want to add these two fractions, but we're going to make sure the denominator will be the same. So we can simply multiply 4a and 4a for this first fraction, plus b squared, and then you simplify it with negative 4ac over 4a squared. Then, as you can see, the denominator will be the same, so we can add it. But keep in mind, the denominator will be the same. We only add the numerator plus b squared. And usually, we write the positive term in front. So, and also, if we switch the position of these two terms, it doesn't matter. It does not change the values at all. It's commutative property. Is minus over 4a squared. And then on the left hand side is x plus b over 2a. Then we can simplify further. We want to solve for x, which means to put the x only on the left hand side and put the other elements on the right hand side. And we want to break this parenthesis by squaring it. I mean square root on both sides. This way, it will cancel. So x plus b over 2a. But make sure when we want to put the plus or minus sign, because this is the square root property. And since theta is a variable, we just keep in mind the plus or minus sign. And then solve for x by subtracting b over 2a on both sides. It's going to be negative b over 2a plus or minus. Just want to remind you, a over b, and we want to take the square root of it, is the same as square root of a over square root of a b. So we can simplify this by rewriting it as square root of b squared minus 4ac. And on the denominator, we have square root of 4a squared. It's the same as 2a. So it's simply over 2a. Then you can see the denominator is the same, so we can combine them. So x equals negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And this is quadratic formula. And it's pretty useful to figure out this value